is Jai Krishna. My registration number is UR15CA059. Today I'm going to explain about section number 6 interface. Uh, the aim is to understand the concept of interface. Description: create two interfaces such as maths operable and trigonometry operable, which contains the functions to perform the basic arithmetic operations and trigonometric operations respectively. Implement these interfaces by class to perform integer and floating point number specific operations, and demonstrate the operation in a menu driven fashion from a test class. And now we'll see the program code of this. Program code of the interface program, where we have the header file as import java.util, and we have the interface maths operable, interface name maths operable. Then we have the abstract functions: add, subtraction, multiplication, division, and mod. After that we have another interface trigonometric operable. Then in that we have abstract functions: sine, cos, cosine, and the tan. After that we have public class of ex6, which implements the maths operable interface and trigonometric operable interface. After that we have some functions of the of that interface, which is add, and the add function is use c is equals to a plus b, and c is returned. After that we have same subtraction. For subtraction we have c is equal to a minus b, and for multiplication a into b, and for division a divided by b, and for mod a mod b, and every time the c is returned. And for the trigonometrical function we have sine, when the input is taken in radians, and math dot radians is used to convert into degree, where x is used as math dot sine radians, and the x is returned. After that we have radian. For cosine we have the same thing, and for tan also similarly to of sine. After that we have public static void main, which is a main method, and we'll create a object of ex6 class, which is t, and we have an integer variable x and character ch. After that we use a do while loop, where we ask the system to enter the we ask the user to enter the options for mathematical operation or trigonometrical operation. After that we will use which is which is stored in x, and we'll use a switch case function, where for case 1 we'll print addition, for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and modulus. And in that we have one more switch case function, where for case 1 we have the system will print enter the two numbers a and b, which is stored in a and b, and we'll use the operation a plus b, and the function of add is used. And after that we have for subtraction, and the subtraction function is called by t object, and for multiplication also, and division, and for modulus. After that we have case 2, where we have sine. The system will ask the user to enter for sine, cos, and tan. And after that we have another switch case function in it, where the system will ask the user to enter the value in degrees, and where a is assigned a is equals to next it, and the system will call the function of sine by the object t, and and in case 2 for cosine, the same thing where the cosine function is called, and in third case the tan function is called. After that, the system will ask the user to if they want to continue or not, and while condition is used. Now we'll execute this program. Now we have for 1, we ask for 1 addition, then enter two numbers 2 and 4, and we have the result 6 if I want to continue. Now we have the second we'll try the second one, trigonometry operation. For sine, value in degrees 90. Now we have the answer as sine 90 is 1, and we'll check one more time the second one, cosine 2, the 40 90, and the value is given 6.2132, and as you can see, this is the right answer of the following questions. Then now we enter N for discontinuing. This was the interface program which was successfully executed. Thank you for watching this video.